Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, Empathetic Wanderers. My name is Jeff, I'm from California, and on this channel I take you around the world, primarily Asia, and more specifically Japan and Korea, to show you how to access otherwise inaccessible experiences while traveling abroad. I make videos like travel vlogs, I make language videos, I do videos on how to get to local spots, food vlogs, really just any way to connect with locals to deepen your travel experience and make it for a good trip abroad. So if that's content that you're interested in, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Make sure you don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of the content that I'm putting out every single week. And be sure to check out the past videos that I've put up on my channel. I hope to see you on the channel, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.